In this short video, I'm going to show you how to add a news item to my WordPress website at mannysportfolio.co.uk cricket. The same can be done with the website at www.jc.co.uk, the Winchester Warriors one. So assuming you've logged in, you've got into the back end, it should look a tiny bit like this. But the main thing to watch out for is where it says post. You've logged in, it says post, click, hover over post, then go to all posts. You'll see a big list of news names and categories because I've already added those news articles. You also see some dates here which aren't actually that important, but we'll include them so we know. So we're going to add a new news item. We're going to give it a tag name of news item, and we're going to give it a name of WW Weekly News Item Demo. So I'm typing it out. Weekly. And there it is. It's given a name. Now if we add some information, just some random text, which will constitute our fake news item. News article. Make that into a heading, call that, put that in the code as H1. This is code for a heading in HTML. Then add some text, fake. Paste. Then copy this. And click publish. As you do with all posts in WordPress. If you go to the news page, which is either, I haven't actually included a news page on here apart from on the front. The latest news will appear on the front page here. It'll say, have the title of the news item and the news information. This hasn't appeared on the front page because I haven't assigned it any categories. And going back to the front page again, it should also appear on a page called News. So what we have here is a synopsis of the news item and a continue reading button. It won't appear there because I haven't added something. It's called a tag, possibly a category. Okay, a tag is something which helps WordPress identify what you've written. And if I add news, it hovers and it shows news item. If I click on that and click on update, it should appear on the front page. weekly news item demo, fake news article, it appears on the front page. So basically any item of news which you add into the post and you give it a tag name of news item will appear on the front page. But what we also need to do is add some more information like the synopsis. I put the synopsis in the excerpts, so I'll call this a lot of fake news in this article. If I go over to news here, we see it's got the synopsis here, a lot of fake news in the article, and we've got the title. So we should have something similar to this on the Winchester Warriors cricket page for the weekly news of the 23rd weekly news item on the 11th of October 2021. So that's done. I haven't included a news tab on this site for some reason, just being negligent. So we have weekly news item 23rd of the 11th, winter indoors, cricket starts. So similar to the last page, if not identical, it's a synopsis and the name of the news article. So over here we have different archives for older news articles of a year or so old. So we'd go back to February, of less than a year old, but basically to the beginning of time. So I'd go back to February 2021. I think August 2021 was the last time we had more than 4 news items in a month, or 3 or more than 3 news items in a month. Since November we've been doing 1 news item a month. July there were 3 or 4. So we're doing them weekly. We've gone to doing them monthly because it's the winter season and hardly anything goes on. So that's all I wanted to show in this video. Thanks for watching.